Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. Apologies for the echo. I wasn't actually going to make this video, but I ordered a Google Pixel 4 last week when it was announced. Got it today, and I wanted to show you the very interesting unboxing experience. I wasn't expecting this at all, so let's get straight into it. So yeah, Google have chosen an interesting way of packaging the Google Pixel 4 this year, and it very much does look like a cereal box. You know, there's no other way to put it. They've made it look like a cereal box pretty much. Very interesting way of doing things. The top itself is actually sealed like a cereal box, so I've got to like tear it open. Okay, so now that we're in, it's just a plain blue box pretty much. I don't know, I think I was expecting a little bit more. From looking at the box itself, it makes it look like, you know, there's a ton of stuff going on, but clearly not. So if we get into the rest of it, so you've got to open it like a cereal box as well. So if we get into, okay, interesting. So the phone is in here. So yeah, from looking at this little card, it says pretty much, you know, as I'm one of the first, they thought they'd do something different, which is pretty cool. And I also get to claim HP Chromebook. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The phone is in here. If we get that out, so that's the phone itself. Pretty simple packaging. I really like it actually. Quite nice looking. If we look in this final section, I wonder what's in here. Oh, okay. So we do actually get some cereal. We do actually get some Google Pixel cereal. I don't know if I'll eat this though, but it's pretty cool. That's a nice little touch that Google have given there. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to eat that because I think it actually looks cool. Wait, but will it go rotten? So maybe I do need to eat it, because I would like to just put it in a jar or something and keep it as a sort of like a souvenir, you could say. But anyway, that's pretty cool. That's a nice little touch by Google. But other than that, yeah, I don't think there is anything else in the box. So if we get to the phone itself, I went with the Just Black, Gloss Black, whatever it is, whatever they're calling it. They have some funny names nowadays when it comes to naming the colours of the Google Pixel phones. Let's just unbox it, shall we? Take these little tabs off. Quite satisfying, not gonna lie. And then if we get into it, so we have the phone itself. If we take that out. So I went with the standard size. I really like the size already actually. It's a really nice size. Inside we have documentation, power brick and stuff. USB-C, USB to USB-C as well. And then just the standard like power brick, charging brick. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. Let's unpeel this, shall we? There we go. Nice. So yeah, I went with the Gloss Black. I quite like it. I like the look of it. I like the size of it. I'm going to be testing it over the next week or two, and I'll have a review, of course. I like the matte black edges as well. They're really nice. But yeah, that's just a very unique unboxing experience from Google for the Google Pixel 4. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, because I will be doing a review soon. So thanks for watching.